So now that we're done on the front side of the wall, let's take a closer look at the back side. This is our backing block for the vapor retarder. You can see there's a center line drawn across that carries all the way through the back here. That's how we reference our install and allow it to pitch a 1/4 inch to the exterior. Easiest thing to do is to install this with just 2 screws initially. Then you can pull those 2 screws, pull this out, and so once you're done working on the exterior, you can work in here unimpeded and get this caulking gun in here to work all the way around. So the way this pipe is attached initially is we use 3 little tabs. We just bend out of some 26 or 29 gauge sheet metal. 29 gauge is going to be easier to drive screws through. And we attach these tabs with 1/2 inch tech screws. And the tech screws are nice because they drive and go right into the plywood, but they're 1/2 inch so they won't poke through, and they also go into the ducting very positively. We space our tabs evenly around the pipe. We just don't want any tabs on the bottom where if water gets in here now we have a potential leakage point into the wall. Once our tabs are installed all the way around like this and we're done in the front, we go back and we just apply a very generous bead of Barabond all the way around. We want to tool that into the gap, and we also want to cover the screw heads that are attaching the tabs to the pipe. That way there's no air leakage path from inside the pipe through any of our screw penetrations. Doesn't matter what this looks like. Mostly we just want this generously covered and sealed as a belt and suspenders to just weatherproofing this penetration right here. Once we're done with our Barabond, we can talk about our vapor retarder backer.